Prior to Cogent, our office was very disorganized, and I was fairly stressed out with my position here and thinking maybe I might have made a mistake in purchasing our family business. We just were operating the way we'd always operated, so we had kind of outgrown the mom and pop business plan. Everything came in here to me. Every question regarding an invoice that needed to be sent, or material for a job, technical questions on our job, bookkeeping questions, accounting questions, everything was coming in here to me.